JK Sports! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell. Today, we have the survivors of, or I guess I should say the winners of our last race. Lined up down here. Just like here. Okay, so yeah, let's get started with this race. Okay, and if you guys don't remember the rules, or you didn't see the last video, I recommend you go see that video before you see this one. So yeah, like this right here is the ending zone. If the cars don't get to the finish line right here and they end up in the ending zone, the furthest person into the ending zone wins. At the top you probably can't see it, but maybe you can, like with that little orange box up there. That is our starting zone, and if someone stops there and doesn't get out of the starting zone, there's a redo on that race that those two cars had. So yeah, let's get started. First up is these two cars. So yeah, let's get started with race number 2. Or heat number 2, or whatever you want to call it. Here, got my thing that we are going to put the cars behind and let go so they can go, you know? And there's not a false start or something. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh man! This car right here won. Gonna come over here to the winners part. This car's gonna go over there. Here we go, next 2 cars. Right here. And I'm going to change that like that. Okay. Oh man, the thing keeps breaking. Okay, there we go. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, this purple car won. Like, this one got stopped, but then at the end it just went so fast. Put this one right here. Next is these 2 cars. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, so I think that this car here just barely took it. The win. Next is this, wait no, this car, this truck lost. Next is this tractor, and this blue car, which is a wind-up tractor. Though it doesn't always work like this, you know, you wind it up and then it doesn't go. You have to give it a push or something before it, like, will use its wind-up. So it's also an unfair advantage, so I'm not going to be using that wind-up part, but yeah. Last time, though, the tractor was, like, really fast, so let's see if it's as fast right now. 3, 2, 1, go. No, it's not. It didn't even make it to the end. There we go. Hit you guys. Yeah. Yeah, it did go really fast after it got stuck, but it's still lost. Next is these two cars. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. This red car won. Next is these two cars. My thing keeps breaking. I mean, probably not the best since it's made out of Legos, but yeah. Here you go. These cars. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, this red car won. Yeah, so this race, I think we'll actually do another race after this, since there's not as many cars as last time. So yeah. Oh no. Oh wow, the truck got stuck, which is good. So it didn't go all the way down and the Lego thing broke again. Keeps breaking. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that one was close. But I think this car got it just barely. Next is this truck right here. And we have this other car too. So yeah. Okay. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. This truck won. Okay. Next, these two cars. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, here you go. Grab the cars. This one won. Okay. Next, is these two cars. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. This car just barely got out of the starting zone, so we will not have to do a redo on that one. So yeah. I think, so this one won. Okay, these are our last two cars already. No? Okay. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Well, why did I already do a count? I don't know. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. This gray car won. I think we should do another round now. So yeah. And actually, I think we'll have to do one more race with the cars I have lost, because there's an uneven number right now which won't work. So I think I'm going to go with the tractor. There's a lot of them that were close. And I'm going to go with these, the tractor and this car. So yeah. Here we go. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. The tractor didn't get out of the starting zone. So he can do it again. That's he out of the starting zone. Yeah. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. The tractor will win, I guess. So what happened was it was in the ending zone that it fell out. So yeah, the tractor won. Here we go. Let's do another one. Okay. So we're starting at the back this time, I guess. Okay, so here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. This one, that one did not count because, so what happened was I pulled up and, yeah, my thing fell off. He's falling off, so, yeah. I am going to try to hold this together here, like that. Okay. The adjustment to hopefully make this stay together better. So yeah. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Looks like this car won. Here. Okay. Put it right here. Next to cars. Right here. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this orange car won. Okay, now we have these two cars. I guess there's a truck in it too. The truck has not lost. I guess all these cars have not lost yet. Except for that tractor, but I guess it's out now, so yeah. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, once again, the truck has won. Like, the reason I really used the truck in the first place was just to have another car to make it even. Or some more trucks and a dump truck to make it even. But this truck's actually pretty good, so yeah. Okay, and I just looked and there should be enough to not have to get one of the loser cars in the thing. So yeah. Next up, these two red cars. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, there my thing broke, but I don't think it was really a disadvantage for anyone, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave that on how it is. This car won. Next up, these two cars. So yeah. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this car just barely won. Okay, last two cars. These two. So yeah. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the purple car there just barely won. I think we'll just keep going since there's only 3 more races because I only have 6 cars left in it now. So yeah, let's keep going. So yeah, here we go. Next up, these 2 cars. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. This car just won. Okay, next up, these 2 cars. So I think I'm gonna have to get one more car. I'm not even gonna race it, I'm just gonna randomly pick one from the losing pile, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick that right now. Oh, I got this car. Goes right there. Okay. Here, next up, these 2 cars. So yeah. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Purple car has won again. Okay, last race of this one. These 2 cars. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the truck has won again. Okay, so now 4 cars left. So that means 2 races and then the championship race, basically. So yeah. I'm gonna race these 2 cars next. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and say who I think is gonna win. Oh man. I think it's either between these 2 cars that's gonna win. I think it's this purple car. And then my second, then I think this car, then this car, this orange car, and then this car. So yeah. I don't know. These 2 cars now. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that one. This one won. Okay. Now, these 2 cars. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the truck will win that one. So, this one was my second choice of what I think would win. This was my first choice. So now the very last round, championship round, basically. This truck and this gray car. Who will win? So yeah, I wonder who will win this last race. Okay, last round in 3, 2, 1, go. Who will win? Who will win? Oh, it will be this car. It is the winner. It is the winner of the whole. It's a championship winner, I guess, is what it is. So yeah, that one was crazy. So here I'll get something to show you, how this worked out, basically. So yeah. I got this box here. And I've got this Lego thing, I guess, right here. Oh, I got a box over here. So yeah, I'll put this here for the first place person. And first place was the gray car, right here. Then second place is right here, with that car. And then in last place, I'm pretty sure it was this car. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell. And I'll see you next time from IJK Sport.